Good people, I'm back again with another video. Just before I continue, I'd want to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. It all helps the channel out so much more than you lot think. It's just simple clicks for you lot. Please leave a comment, man. Come on, I want to see more people interacting. Likes, subscribes, sharing, all that good stuff. Share it to your friends, aunties, uncles, cousins, whatever you want to call it. So these shoes, trainers, sneakers are actually funny because, well, they came out in the UK earlier than America, which is funny. So I'm seeing a lot of American YouTubers post these with early or whatever. I'm thinking, how are you early? Like, these are late, man. But yeah, people, I should just get into them, innit? So it's the first type of this trainer, and you see what I mean on my channel. Redbox has been on my channel a trillion times. We don't have to go through that. On the label, Nike Dunk Low Retro. So UK 10, black goldenrod white. That's the colorway. So they are the goldenrod Dunk Lows. The Dunk highs have been on my channel before. I'm not a fan of them, not going to lie. These are the low tops, which I like much more. And let's just get into the trainers, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. Goldenrod. So yep, I have tried them on, all that good stuff. I was a bit too impatient, and I must say I am not happy with these one bit. Reason being is the QC issues. So you see the thread there, thread in the holes. Even look at that. There's a dent there. Like, what is going on? Even here, the thread, there's a dent here. Type of thing. Like, the holes are done sloppy, loose on there. I do like the color. So just before I continue my QC flaws, I should have just started with the color. So it's got the goldenrod on the bottom, so the yellowy orangey colorway, whatever you want to call it. It's more yellow, it's golden, it's gold. White midsole, classic. Got the yellow leather wrap around the toe. Black toe box, you know, classic. One of the quarters or mids, whatever you want to call it, is black. Then a long Nike swoosh all the way to the back. Obviously the yellow colorway. Eyelets, you know, the yellow colorway. The back, the final panel, also the yellowish colorway. Then underneath the yellowish, there's a black liner type thing, whatever you want to call it, with some stitching. And that's all. Yeah, that's straight, so that's not a QC flaw. Let's be happy with that. So just, you know, the underneath panel. So I'd say that is one piece type of thing. Behind, I don't want to disinfect these, dissect these. I should probably, because the quality is so rubbish, just to see what the panels are like underneath. So, like, you know, one panel, this all stitched on top. So obviously big swoosh. There's a massive swoosh. That's actually huge. Like, it's the size of my hand, and apparently I have huge hands. So yeah. The QC flaws are one thing that ruins this trainer for me. So even on the back, you can see lots of loose threads. Even these are brand new, by the way. Look at that toe box. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick that up properly. Yeah, there. It's I nearly swore there. It's a creased toe box, man. And then look, the same yellow, whatever. More nonsense QC faults. Maybe that's on purpose, but I don't like that. A lot of threads there. So the Dunk hype, I like Dunk SBs. I don't personally have any. I think I find those more because I'm a fan of kind of, you know, the fat tongue. I'm not really a fan of this thin tongue on this. I think these are just like, you know, Air Force Ones that were neglected or something. So, and in my size as well, so size 9.5, 10. I should have got 9.5 in these. 10 is just, they look too long. That's my headache with them. They look too long, and just, I don't know, man. I'm not feeling them. The QC issues annoyed me a lot. I did like them when I saw the pictures, but now I'm just, thrown off of them. I thought this was going to be a good review, honestly, but I can't find a good thing to say about them apart from the colorway is nice. It is a good colorway, clean colorway, nice white midsole, yellow on the bottom, gold on the bottom, whatever you want to call it. But the quality, throw it away. Nike are getting a bit sloppy with the quality. If anyone else has rubbish quality, then you can just tell me about them in the comments or something. The Dunk SBs, I like Dunks. I liked the Dunks. I just never bought them before, so the SBs and stuff like that. So I appreciate Dunks, and they just weren't my thing. I like them, but I don't think I can style them as well as other people can. So these are nah. It's not a buy for me. It's a good buy from me. If you get them under retail, you get them cheap, if you want. But the QC floors just throw it away for me, unfortunately. So I'm not really happy with those at all. Even another QC floor, which is sloppy, yeah, and I actually noticed it. So if you see the Nike, that's straight. This Nike goes upwards, so the E essentially is going into here, and this E is lower. If you can see the difference, like I can't even put my. It's crazy that Nike would allow these, to be QC checked and gone through. It's so weird, man. But yeah, people, I don't really have much more to say. They do look quite nice on foot. I think with smaller feet, they do look quite nice. Apart from that, I don't really know what much to say. The hype, I don't believe the hype on Dunks. People just like to follow, and I'm not a follow person. I'm a stay in my own lane type of person, do my own thing kind of person. But yeah, tell me what you think of them. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you have them. We can discuss them in the comments below. And as always, there will be an on foot video to follow these Dunk Low Goldenrod trainers. As always, there will be an on foot video to follow. And as always, take care, people.